Stop doing endless sit-ups if you actually want flatter, stronger abdominal muscles. Sit-ups alone won't give you the defined, tight core you're chasing today. There's a smarter way to train your core without stressing your lower back. This method targets deeper muscles that actually flatten your stomach effectively, and it delivers faster, visible results when done correctly and consistently. Most people still rely on crunches and sit-ups for building abdominal strength, but these exercises mainly work surface muscles, not your deep core stabilizers. That's why your stomach may look unchanged despite consistent training efforts. Poor form also puts unnecessary strain on your lower back over time. This prevents progress and increases your risk of discomfort or injury. Your core is more than just visible abs on the surface. It includes deep muscles responsible for stability and posture control daily. The transversus abdominis is the key muscle you need to activate. It wraps around your waist like a natural support belt internally. When engaged, it pulls your stomach inward, creating a flatter appearance. This is what gives you that tight, toned midsection look naturally. But most people activate their core incorrectly during typical ab exercises. They arch their lower back instead of keeping it stable and neutral. They push their stomach outward instead of pulling it inward properly. They rush through movements instead of controlling each repetition carefully. They rely on momentum instead of real muscle activation during exercise. And many forget to breathe correctly throughout the entire movement. To fix this, you must first learn proper core engagement technique. Start by tightening your core like preparing for a strong punch. Pull your belly button inward towards your spine and hold that tension. Keep your lower back neutral, avoiding any arching during movement. Move slowly and maintain full control over every single repetition performed. Always breathe steadily to support proper muscle activation and stability. Now let's break down the exact steps to perform this exercise correctly. First, lie flat on your back in a comfortable starting position. Bend your knees and place your feet firmly on the ground. Engage your core by pulling your stomach inward and tightening muscles. Keep your lower back gently pressed against the floor for stability. Slowly raise one leg while maintaining full core engagement and control. Lower the leg back down without losing tension in your core. Alternate legs slowly, focusing on control rather than speed or momentum. Maintain steady breathing and avoid holding your breath during repetitions. Continue this movement for about 30 to 60 seconds per set. Rest briefly and repeat for multiple sets to maximize results effectively. Avoid common mistakes that reduce effectiveness and slow your overall progress. Do not arch your lower back during any part of the movement. Avoid rushing through repetitions as control is more important than speed. Never hold your breath as it reduces proper muscle activation significantly. Do not use momentum, rely on controlled muscle movement instead, always. Keep your core tight throughout the entire exercise for best results. When done correctly, results become noticeable within just a few weeks. Your core becomes stronger, tighter, and more stable during daily activities. Your waist begins to look slimmer and more defined naturally over time. Your posture improves, helping you stand taller and more confidently. You may also experience reduced lower back pain with stronger core support. This method builds real strength, not just temporary visual muscle definition. It improves both appearance and functional performance in your everyday life. Sit-ups alone are not the best solution for flattening your stomach. You need to target deeper muscles for real, lasting results instead. Focus on control, tension, and proper technique during every repetition performed. Train smarter by choosing exercises that actually deliver effective results. Consistency combined with proper form will transform your core strength quickly. Stay disciplined and patient as your body adapts to better training methods. Add this exercise into your routine and feel the difference immediately. This is how you build a strong, flat, and functional core effectively. Stop wasting time on ineffective exercises that don't deliver real results. Focus on movements that challenge your body in the right way. Keep improving your form and increasing control with every workout session. Your progress depends on how well you execute each repetition correctly. Stay committed and push yourself while maintaining proper technique always. This approach is used by professionals to build strong, stable cores. It's simple, effective, and perfect for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Start today and build the core strength your body truly needs. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep improving with every session. Subscribe now for more science-based fitness strategies that actually deliver real results.